Yeah, yeah, oh Lord, oh Lord. Where they look?
You be like the Two-Face.
Where they look? Two-Face, Abi?
I think 5. You
Oh
be like
God.
the Two-Face.
I never fresh yet. You understand? But this matter I call the bad kodo. Yes, so. Yes, so.
You be like him.
Yes, so.
When I get the same stature.
Hey, but Two-Face, you get your own fresh. You understand? You get one kind of freshness where you time on crisp fresh like that. It's a very bad guy. You understand? Not be Two-Face again, no. Not too bad.
Too bad.
This one you can't resemble Friday like this on a Monday.
No, what's wrong with you?
Just enter your Friday P on a Monday morning. Your mates have one suit to the bank to count other people's money.
That's the problem.
That's the problem.
You say they are my mates, they are not me. We don't do the same kind of job.
That's a big problem. They will count other people's money.
That is the thing. They'll be writing other people's figures.
Oh, blood.
We don't really do the same kind of job.
It's very frustrating.
You understand?
Really,
so today I decided to do it to match.
Wow. And they don't change the color for you. Wow. Plus your shoe.
Yes.
Ah,
it's
me
to
too,
match.
I need to match too.
Wait, wait.
You see my blood there?
Your baby and your shoe.
Yes.
Ọmọdé mẹ́ta ń ṣeré bado bades. Àrò mẹ́ta lórí beating bado bades. Ọmọdé mẹ́ta ń ṣeré bado bades. Àrò mẹ́ta lórí beating bado bades. That is the bado money. How rude. How rude.
Tunde,
you are very rude.
Tunde, you are a ruded.
You are a very rude people. What is your problem? What is your problem?
Nonsense boy.
Anyway.
The place they get one spirit. All those Anibaba, Tunde, those directors for back. They just get one very, very evil spirit like this. The same thing. Anyway. Okay, so Monday morning in the city of Lagos. Now, Lagos, we there. I don't really sure what town you are watching us from. It can be in Kaduna, it can be in Abuja, it can be anywhere, it can be in the diaspora. Depend on wherever you're watching us from. But we want to say beautiful morning to all of you, and that we love and we appreciate you for always tuning into PADI. Thank you so much. From me to you, I'm not sure. That's why you are supposed to look now.
Okay, 5.
Now you can't be like past 4.
Okay, so it's okay.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, so thank you to everybody where they watch us. On this note, we officially open PADI. So that means that they look 6 now.
So you look 6 now.
So
we officially open PADI.
So now we look center now.
In the name of the Lord. Now welcome. My neck.
Give us Yandy. Yes, and we are back. Okay, the first gist today for inside. What's happened? What's you carry your neck do? Where? Here?
It's a bit massage, so you do like this.
Does it feel better?
Not yet. Sorry. Yeah.
How about now?
It don't do. Before I go shift my mitochondria.
For inside Germany, in the German place, there are all those German restaurants. Now, they don't see new way to stop people from wasting food.
How?
Ask me what is the way.
What is the way?
What is the way? Wow.
Yeah.
It was in sync.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's how we roll. That's how we do it.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
All right. So, in German place now, if you not chop the food finish, they'll go find you.
Finding now?
Yes. If you go to the restaurant, go buy food. If you not chop and finish, you go pay small money for that food we remain. So 2 things. Is either you chop it finish or they find you. That is it. That is the problem now. Yeah. It can be from 1.15 pounds, thereabouts. Not be plenty money like that, but you must chop and finish. So if therefore, buy waiting, you go fit chop finish. You don't come they waste food. It good like that. It good. At least that way, they go fit call people and their misbehavings. Because wasted of food, even bad, now bad, even got the front against them. And they do it well for when they want to do buffet. So that because now buffet, some people go just come order things where they know they no fit chop finish. For those of you who know a buffet, every plate where you chop buffet now when you go one place, serve yourself. You go fit chop. You go fit go 17 times go collect food, just but you don't fit carry and come out for a particular price. Kilele begidini bambusi. Iyan na nko bambusi. Kilele salad ni bambusi. Kilele ice cream ni bambusi. So that is it. You can't be eating anyhow.
So
they call it eat up or pay up policy.
Eat up or what?
Eat up or pay up policy.
Eat up or pay up policy.
Now, let me now interest you. Now, Gyoyu, that one I one restaurant owner, he claims say he don't collect close to £900. That's about $1,020 to about £1,000. That's $1,113 on top that waste fine. What would they talk about too? Can you imagine?
No, I think it's a very good thing. I mean, to a reasonable extent, it's a wonderful thing.
Yes, it is. At least it stops people from wasting food, no? Yeah. Move on.
Move on. When they do it for you.
You go walk.
You go walk.
But no, but for here, people know they really, you know they even do people.
No, but people they chop remain, no. You know they go see party. Food they pack for grand.
That one a party. Go restaurant, go buy food by yourself. No, go restaurant, go buy food.
So rice don't cost now. Bag of rice, 20,000. My God. Some people salary, 9 bag of rice.
Okay,
some people salary.
Okay.
Blood. So now, if you see the pepe rice, what did they say? Give person there. Oh God, they say, please give me rice 200. You see, madam, what's this one?
200.
Say it's 200.
I even put fizzy.
You can earn now. This one I see now. You be the person who has serve pass. So you know, it can be crazy. So come on, back to. I repeat it to the top of my ear. Okay, so artist for Israel, artist. Now pigeon, now they do you.
Artist.
Now, the light thing in this place.
Yes, I see.
Yeah, anyway, much I go, make a little hip. We don't owe though, we do like small children. Israeli artist Sigalit Landau. That be this artist's name. And she did very, very fascinated. Let me say, she did always look the Dead Sea. We're not too far from where she did stay, you know, for that Jerusalem place area. You know, she always look the Red Sea. I did my back, they pose.
I didn't watch you. I'm listening to you.
You are posing. You are there. You're feeling yourself in a girlish way.
I'm feeling myself.
Anyway, so she always be fascinated by the Red Sea. You know the Red Sea. I say Red Sea. The Dead Sea. The Dead Sea. Now that Dead Sea, most people will know see Dead Sea. Nothing they did for that sea. It just dead, and because nothing they happen for there, simply means say. Simply means say, you know, most people don't they do anything for that area. No fishing, nothing they go on for there. But there's a calmness and a stillness to it where they always make that girl, you know, they're happy. And so she can say, she get one new project where she want to do, you know, with clothes because she be artist. Now she can say, okay, may she carry this black cloth, black dress where she hold for hand, go chook am inside the Dead Sea. Then she carry the cloth, go chook inside Dead Sea, you see the cloth. After 3 months, when she bring out the cloth don't turn to white. To tell you, say, the Dead Sea gets some, see, it don't change to white.
Oh, wow.
After 3 months. After 3 months, it can't be like snow, it can't be like, you know, like an ice block, one kind of thing.
You sure say no be say things settle on top the cloth?
No be settle. You understand? It show you the alkaline nature of the Dead Sea.
Oh.
You understand? Now alkalinity.
Okay.
For those of us chemistry.
Alkalinization.
Yes, you know there was a chemical.
Alkalinity.
You know, yes, that really you know happened there. An equation.
If person wear this one, you know go bleach am.
Imagine saying that you go stay inside there for like 2 months. You go sit inside that kind of water. You come out only you. Una want bleach. You bleachers.
Go alkaline water.
Go to the Dead Sea
and sleep inside.
And just stay there
for 1 month.
You will bleached. We assure you, you will bleach.
You will be wife.
Oh, blood. You'll be wife.
You'll be wife. Even your eyebrow.
Call their names. Those ones that when they bleach, they bleach.
No, I don't really know their name.
Mayowa, you tell me before the show starts.
Just listen to our show. Continue your story.
Okay.
Because
Ani Baba.
the person you are going to put in trouble you are looking for.
Ani Baba, #1 culprit.
Ali Baba no fit bleach.
No fit bleach.
No matter the amount of bleaching cream, you no go work.
Some people they will say no bleaching cream.
Ali Baba in color na sandpaper.
Oh.
You no fit come out. No matter
black shadow. Ali Baba is darkness. Exemplified.
He be like black chroma.
Oh blood. One day we will enter this show. We're gonna see the darkness that took over the earth.
And he cannot bleach.
Oh blood. So for now, you're gonna go for one break. We come up from the break, then we give now another gist on top of the whole level. I know so. So we are coming back. Don't go nowhere.
I be like artist.
Bleacher, bleach on, bleach on.
what your mates they do.
Not be your mate be that. Not be woman be that.
See what your mates.
Not be woman be that. They carry food. They do like this.
What you they do?
When you there, they wear glass. They form I am hip.
No, wait, no, I'm hip.
Go enter street.
No,
They
not for me,
tumble.
I'm hip.
Go and be tumbling everywhere. Just they flip. They flip. They flip. They flip.
What you they do?
No be na man. I record them. I can record you.
Okay, if na woman they do, you know.
See what she says. She woman. She tied her power.
You know if you befriend them. You know if you befriend them.
3. She can't look where you gonna look at it.
Oh, shit. This one.
Yeah. And she hold her water for her hand.
Ogbolo, now this person supposed to be friend.
Nah, no.
This is your girlfriend.
No, my one. See, this Nigerians, we know they know where talents they.
She don't go Olympics.
Don't go Olympics. One not go Olympics. She should be in the Olympics place.
That is it.
Go do gymnastics.
Yeah.
And Tumbler.
Yeah.
What's Tumbler? Please, let's go to the streets, into the creeks, into the rural areas. Not all these urban places. Let's do like Mugabe. Mugabe talks, say, me they arrest everybody.
All of them like
me they arrest all the people that way he said go Olympics. All right, so gist.
All right, back to the matter. Open and close. Touch your toes. Okay. Another gist, the last gist we get for you today. This one concerns.
Let them know, girl.
This one concerns this particular woman where we say, you know, artists, different painters, the way artists they take paint people, they're different. But this particular one, she does it with her lipstick.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
She feel use like, okay, for short shots, for small pictures.
Yeah.
She feel use like maybe close to 4 or 5 tubes. When I say tubes, I mean long tubes of lipsticks. Her own, she said she know they use hand. Now with her lips, she they kiss the.
So now
the
kiss
yes.
This one.
She they kiss the paper. See the one of Marilyn Monroe where she do.
Wow.
It take her 4 days to do them.
Wow.
Kiss. She used over 2 tubes of lipstick.
People get
2014, she did that Marilyn Monroe. Yeah. Yes.
So also
she don't do things like you know see the Frank Sinatra where she do, or Sophia Loren. See all these pictures where she do.
So nice take care of this one.
Yes.
People are talented in this country. Not be this country.
And you know the funny thing be say, it's amazing because it gets some lipstick where they corrosive. It affect your lips. Some of them they darken lips based on say like the makeup artist small. This thing when I know it gets some people where they react to lipstick. So I'm sure in the midst of her painting, she go down react to 1 or 2 because she uses tons of lipstick in different shades. Different shades.
That's why people I want to get as friend now.
See, and lipstick she they use.
And she go they kiss where?
Yes.
She go sabi kiss where?
She go they do and she'll be doing it for days. Sometimes she they do use 1 week. They paint 1 picture.
That means if she and her man feel the drag now. Say baby come now. Say no, I'm working now.
No. There's a difference between exchange of saliva.
No. So
and
just
pecs. These ones are casual pecs.
We know.
No tongue, no saliva, no nothing.
So this one not be jetty.
No. This is not jetty. This is just a
brush jetty.
Yes, that is it.
So you know
people
that
are
means
talented.
if you sabi use your lips, they do things. You can make money from it. You did it now. You look now. You are looking and say, God, who will bring my help for me? Don't look for your help for you. If you use your tongue,
your help is in your lips.
You understand? If you took tongue inside paint. And maybe you use tongue do things. You know, they lick wall. You go find painting. Use something that you have. You understand? For those of now we get back, you can use your back. Just put nyash. Oh, sorry. Just put bomb on paint. They go man for wall. Before you know it, you create a graphic that be very, very graphical to the eyes.
Shut up!
I'm encouraging you can do anything through Christ that strengthens you. You understand me now? Don't just sit down for us and look today. Use something that you have. If you are a man, you are very, very hairy. Use clipper, barb the baby for chest. Carry out the hair. Go man. Put for wall. You will create something. Be a creator. Stop being a victim. What's wrong with you? At the vessel, waiting. When you say all the guests in Lagos, when they worry you, go and be creative. If you cannot do anything, paint something. Thank you. With these few points of mine, I hope say, you just do something. If you feel some men, they use your hand. Dip your hand. If now your finger, dip and have something. They do like this for wall. Beep, 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 beep. You will do something.
I beg you, give us
just sit down for house. Person use lips. They create things. They make money. You did that and say, no work for this country. What is wrong with you? If now your leg, they waka for the whole Lagos. Use your leg to make money. You can find inside paint. They put that for wall. Pa. You will create something. You are there doing rubbish, doing anyhow. Worst come to worst, jump inside paint.
Give us laugh the laugh.
Like that for ground.
Michael.
All right, now we need to time my home out now. Make I know to talk.
Okay, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI, I beg. Follow us for Twitter. We always enjoy it when you talk to us on Twitter.
Yeah, please.
So let's carry the rest of the show. Enter inside Twitter, okay? At Wazobia PADI. Follow us on top Instagram at Mayowa Ekpo at Ogbolo. On top Twitter at Mayowa Lambe at Funny Ogbolo. The station at Wazobia TV NG. Now YouTube and Facebook, all of them, just / Wazobia TV NG and search for PADI. Over to you.
Create something. Please.
You don't start.
Create something.
You don't start.
I take God beg you.
You don't start. You don't do. Thank you so much.
Painting.
Bye-bye.
Do something with your life.
You don't start.
Not a complaint for the whole Nigeria. I take God beg you. There are too many things you can do with yourself and with your life. If they not be waiting. Do something.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.